In this video, you'll learn how to soft delete a specific tax on Blixo in just a few simple steps. You can only delete a tax by directly deleting it from the taxes list. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Settings section. Next, click on the Taxes field to access the taxes list. Click on the Delete button of any tax that you want to delete. A confirmation box will appear afterward. To cancel the deletion process, click the Cancel button or simply close the box. To confirm deletion, click the OK button. Let's check it out. That tax has been deleted. Voila! You have successfully deleted a specific tax in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.